What's up guys, it's CJ back with another video for you people, and this time around what I've got for this video is pretty amazing gadget, and this thing is a power bank. So guys, are you ready for this? This time around this is a power bank, and guys, every single one on this channel wants a power bank. So guys, this time around I will go with a giveaway. I will do it surely in 2018. A power bank will be given away to one of you guys. So yeah guys, let's get beginning with this power bank's unboxing. If you haven't yet seen this power bank has been around for a while now, so let me just first unbox this. This knife is super sharp. I need to be a little slow, you know, it doesn't harm the power bank's box. Well, that's all. Let me unbox it. Tight packaging, like that. Okay guys, let's get deep with this thing. Pebble power bank, model number PB44. Features: portable charger for phones, tablets, etc. We know that. Elegant, sleek design, yeah, we know that. High capacity, whoa, 10,000 is not that high capacity, to be honest. Ultra fast, yeah, that's quick charge 3, and then it is 4 output charge, 4 devices, yeah, that's true. LED indicator is there to show charge status, okay, great. Protection against short circuit overcharging, that's great. Okay, you can read this all. I'm not gonna read this, but just the weight that matters to me. Weight 170 grams, and yeah, 5 volts 2 amperes input it's required. Okay, output is 5 volts 2.4 amperes. Okay, so there's no more information down there. If you guys are ready to read it, then you can pause this video right there and read this whole damn thing. I'm gonna focus this shot for you. Okay, you can read it. Let's move on to the side. 10,000 mAh, 4 USB outputs. Wait a second guys, this thing is not focusing at all. What happens to the autofocus? Yep. Okay, 10,000 mAh, 4 USB outputs, LED capacity indicator, safe and efficient and fast charging technology, inbuilt charging cables, yeah, and smart chip. Smart chip? What do you mean by smart chip? Well, let's see that. What is it? Smart chip. You guys can see that it's a little bit raised text, little bit raised this also. Okay, quick charge is available, inbuilt micro USB cable and inbuilt type C cable, that's great. Pebble power bank, and yeah, that's pretty much all. So let's get in. Okay, so this, I hate these type of rivets. Okay, can we open this? Oh no, these damn bloody shitty guys, whoever has packed it, I don't know. I'll have to tear this thing apart, I guess. This thing is damn bad packaging, man. Okay, somewhat right there. You know what guys, I'll just speed that thing up and you guys just wait. I just got that thing off it. That was it. I just broke that thing. Okay. Okay, let me smell it. The fresh smell of a new power bank is always great. Oh, what the heck was that? So that's a micro USB cable. And yeah, so this is what the power banks look like. Anything more? Oh yeah, list of whatever is this. We're gonna see it. Okay, let's give this a side and have a look. So it charges to a micro USB, and that is shitty. That's shitty. Okay, this is the main thing. I'll just keep that aside for a while and get even more deep in. So user guidebook, that's all. Okay, so there's the user guidebook. I have already read it online, but I'll just give you a brief overview on what the thing is all about. So there's a list of articles which says that this thing is a power bank and you are awarded with a charging cable along with it. So yeah, for which you have paid approximately $20. Yeah, it's $20. Yeah, so yeah, this is the user guide. You can read this. This is a list of articles, and then what was the third page? Okay, about this power bank. So yeah, this is all it contains. You can read it. I'm leaving it right there. You can read it. I'll leave it for a second. Okay. How to use this power bank. Charge your power bank using the provided cable to connect the power bank with the adapter. Yeah, we all know that shit. And charging your device. Okay, so this is how you can charge your device. It's got two USB ports up there, one cable up there, one cable up there. We'll check that. Warning: for safety, please read the user guide before carefully operating the product. Improper use of lithium polymer batteries may be dangerous and causing overheat, explosion, and fire, etc. Keeping the power bank away from flammable substances or light. Yeah, that's for sure. Do not expose the power bank to rain or water. Do not attempt to disassemble the power bank. Okay, we know that. We never do that. That's for professionals. At the end of the useful life, please recycle the power bank. Oh shit, this thing is recyclable? That's great. For availing warranty customer care, there's the numbers 6 months replacement guarantee from the date of purchase. That's great. I got the bill from Amazon, and that's great. Okay guys, so first of all, this power bank is not made from metal, so that means my razor blade, sorry, my knife, would easily be able to scrap the shit out of it. Well, that actually left a mark. If it's visible to you guys, see it actually left a mark. I didn't want to do that with my new power bank, but that actually happened. So this shows this thing is pretty weak. This thing is made up of just rubber. This cannot even take the scratches from your nails. So do not try to poke this thing and do anything with it. So yeah, this thing is very, very scratchable. Do not try to scratch this thing at all. This thing can be ridiculous. Okay. Then there you go. There you've got, oh, why isn't it focusing today? Okay guys, let me just do that. Let me just give it the touch. Oh shit, this thing's actually not focusing at all. Oh no. Okay. So see, it's got two USB ports up there, one micro USB port up there, and then this is that LED the button. Where are the lights? Huh? Where's the LED indicator, damn it? Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh. I didn't see that coming. Well, that's pretty far away from the button. And this thing is a very tiny power bank, to be really honest. You can see that's approximately just 1 centimeter in height. Yeah, that's approximately just 1 centimeter in height. Okay, so there's the Type-C cable, I guess, down there. Let me just check this cable out. How do you take that apart? Do you just press something from here? I guess that's a connection for the cable. But how does this cable come out? This is super hard, man. Oh, it takes a lot of pressure. Micro USB one. Okay. Well, I'll be checking the power bank up and telling you my opinions and reviews on how does it charge the products. So I'll tell you everything around. And yeah guys, this thing seems pretty tough. I'll even tell you how to do it and how not. Well, this thing is tough to put in back even, guys. See, it's very tough. It's not going in at all. It's just not ready to go in. I'm trying my level. I just broke. No. I didn't broke the power bank. Okay. Now I realize it's super easy. Okay. Now I'll show you. Okay, this is the opposite way. Just take it out from your nail or something sharp, like the knife I got. Okay, that's the Type-C cable. So I'm going to be using this to charge my phone. This thing is just a pretty short cable. That's just like this much. Okay, it's just like 5 centimeters, and that's it. That's the length of the cable. That cable is also made from rubber, so no high quality materials have been used in the production of this power bank, except for the metallic parts for the endings. Okay, I really like to collect power banks, and yeah, I really use them a lot. At least my family even does. So yeah, I collect a lot of power banks. At least I have to collect some power banks, because sometimes around your one power bank isn't actually charged, you forgot to charge one or whatnot. You guys, this thing is ridiculous. Happens with me every single time, and I'm out of power that time. Okay, but with the OnePlus 5, I'm already assured with the dash charge that I'll be having a charge every single time. But I'm having a hard time fixing the problem of this thing. And yeah guys, this thing is really tough to put in back. So if you're looking for an easily pull out cable, don't think that this thing will come in handy. You will have to get your own cable, and that's really for the USB ports. So there are only 2 USB ports, and the cables can come in handy anytime, but I'll not prefer to use them. But I'll check what the cables work and how they work. So I'll just come in a moment and the flash. So let's go. Yo guys, day 2. I'm back with the power bank, and yeah, this time around I've actually full charged this power bank, and it just took me 3 hours to charge this whole damn thing up. So this thing is really legitimate. It charged approximately my phone approximately can say 8 times, and my OnePlus 5, this thing supports dash charge. I didn't knew that, but it's only functions with the USB ports. It supports dash charge with just the USB ports. I didn't know that the input could be 4 amperes, but yeah, it's actually great. So yeah, I'm really sorry, output could be 4 amperes. I'm actually amazed, guys. This time this thing has amazed me. But for the USB this cable, this thing could only work for like the 2 ampere 2.4 ampere thing, just a quick charge. Well guys, that was a brief information about this great power bank which I have just bought. So guys, I'll be leaving this power bank right there, and if you guys haven't yet subscribed to our channel, go down there and click that red subscribe button, okay, and like this video. I know you guys liked it, so please like this video, please. Okay, once you have liked this video, go down there and follow me on every other social media to see more leaks, contents, whatnot. As soon as I reach 200 followers on every single social media, I'll start uploading leaks, updates, whatnot, guys. And the tech news series is not on a hold. I'll be beginning with it very soon again. I know some people are thinking that it was gone because I didn't upload it every week. Yeah, I know that, guys, but times are hard. I'm studying for boards, and that's pretty big thing. Well, anyways guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like this power bank, perhaps you like some of my other videos about power banks and every other thing, so go down there and check some videos. They might be in your description, below the description, or you can just click on that channel name, ProTechGuru, click on it and just scroll down and check some videos. Go into the uploads or videos menu, whichever appears on your screen. Okay, it depends that you are a YouTube creator or not for the videos and uploads thing. Okay, anyways guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm really happy to get this new power bank. This thing is really awesome, guys, to be accurate. Yeah, but this thing is not meant to be that rugged kind of power bank. So yeah guys, if you're into that rugged thing, your rugged usage, this thing can even actually a little bit get a flex. See, I'm actually pushing in my thumb, and I can actually show you that it bends a little bit. See, there is the power bank. There's it. I'm gonna try to bend it, okay? See, it flexes a little bit, and it can even get pushed in a little bit. So yeah guys, if you're ready for a sturdy power bank, then don't buy this thing, okay? You need a sturdy power bank, because your usage might be like you work in a company of knives or something, and then you be like, whoa, and then it's gonna be like whoosh, a scratch. So yeah guys, for example guys, I'm just gonna show you what it looks like when you get a scratch. So yeah guys, I'm not gonna be destroying the power bank or anything, so I'm gonna be just doing it somewhere around which is not visible. Okay, so I'm gonna be trying it right there. See, this thing is not actually protected with any damn thing. See, I can scratch it. See how it leaves a scratch right there. I can completely destroy the whole thing, but I'm not gonna do that. See, now that will be more clearly visible because I have left a deep mark over there. See, yeah, that's all guys. I'm not gonna be destroying this thing. And yeah, that's with it guys for today's video. Let me see you in the next video guys. Bye.